All right, Apple is exploding here. This thing is juggernaut, you know. Get on the ride for 175 is my slogan now. But, I mean, eventually it's 200, but we got to take it. 160 is just about given, probably today. Oh, man. But you know what? You never know. But so take your profits if you need them. If you need the money and you got it, it's a gift. You know, this life is a gift. Look what we're doing today. All right, so Apple moving up nicely. I just forgot to tell you about this AXR before. You know, it's doing a little squeeze play here. Very, very dangerous. You can see the amount of shares being traded here. 2,000, 1,000, very light shares, and it's going up. This thing could drop like a rock, but today they're having their annual meeting. This thing has been slammed from $149 all the way down to $27. $149. You guys have a chart. I don't have time to bring up the charts and stuff, but, you know, this thing... Any kind of news, they do any kind of shake-up to this meeting. This thing could just, you know, it's going to be unbelievable to see what happens with this today. I'm holding 90 shares. I want to get out of it because it's a heart attack waiting to happen. But you just never know what's going to happen. So I just want to keep everyone informed on that one. Martha Stewart's still trending towards the highs of the day. Pfizer near the highs. IMMR at the highs. OMTR at the highs, CTX at the highs. You know what? As the market starts to scare you after a while, you know, Intel pulled back, now consolidating at 26.32. But to see what's going to happen, this market looks like it wants to go higher here. But you know, you got to start taking profits. You feel good when you take those profits. You start getting nervous now that things are so high, and you're like, ooh, you know, they're gonna pull back now, and I'm like loaded up to the bow. But you know what? You got to start taking profits. Take half off the table. You know, keep half there. You feel much better. You're locking something. You know, you're locking something. That's one of the biggest rules of day trading is risk management and profit taking. That's it. You know, it's like we get greedy as a human species. We are like the greediest people. Something's going up. I want more money. You know, you see it piling up there, but it doesn't work that way. Because when you start losing it, you hold on to it and you become a bag holder. So if you have money, take a little off the table. Believe me, you're gonna feel better about yourself. You're not gonna feel like you missed the move. But, you know, I'm just saying, you know, to be disciplined is the game. The game is discipline. If you're not disciplined, you're either lucky or you're not lucky. But if you're disciplined, you know, you got some money here. You know what, this Apple, I might take a little off the table right here. You know, I might just take, you know, even though I believe it's going up, maybe I get in it again. I'm just going to take 30 shares off. Right there. Did I do that? No, it just dropped down. Oh, I did it. All right, so I'm down to 50 shares. Took it off. It's 158.30. Just so I lock in some profits there. AXR looks good. I want to hold on to that. The Martha Stewart I'm holding on to. That's going to be a couple-day hold. Pfizer pulling back a little. Everything else looks good. Intel, I wish Intel would eventually break through that, but I know it will. You know, so I'm not worried about Intel. What I'm worried about is market being so high and finally something coming out and pulling it back a little. But you know what? There's so many shorts in the market that they got these guys, you know, by the short hairs. I'm still looking for some new plays. Keeping the quote tracker up, watching the highs and lows of the day. We got oh my, win, overstock. Didn't I own? Holy crap! I think I have that one for Gap. I didn't even. Jesus, look at that one take off. I'm holding that. Overstock. I got 40 shares of it. What a putz I am! It's up $1.30. I'm on $50 on it. Oh man, let me just get rid of that right now. Shit. Can't, you know, that's the thing too. Holding too many stocks. I'll look at a gap in that too. Ah. Oh well, I'm out of it. I'm out of it now. Okay, so I'm out of it. Just popping the highs a day. So I'm just lightening up a little here. Lightening up. Lighten up the load. I'm up $600 and $700 now for the day. And I'm lightening the load up. I hate to get, you know, I'm going to let the Intel do the work for me. I want to let the NNRI looks good. I want to let AXR do the work for me. Apple, still holding Apple. I feel good. I have a little in the bank. I'm going home, you know, going home today with money in my pocket, no matter what. That's how it is. That's a lesson. Lesson over. I'll be back.